Now, here's your first alert weather forecast with meteorologist Jason Livia.
Well, we've got some more beautiful weather on the way for the next couple of days, and that is once again due to high pressure in the region. Looking at that large-scale map right now, we've got some of that high pressure currently sitting on the southern end of Lake Michigan. There isn't really much organization with this high pressure, but it's enough that we're seeing winds coming in from the northwest, which is why we're seeing some of those colder temperatures as well. But we're expected to be slightly warmer than we have been for the next couple of days. We're getting into the low 70s for tomorrow and Monday. Skies remaining mostly cloudy and conditions remaining dry. However, rain starts to make a return again coming in on Tuesday, and temperatures go down a little bit. Currently, the Mid-Ohio Valley is under a marginal threat for some flash flooding. If it does happen at the moment, we're looking mostly at isolated events and not something widespread, especially along the Ohio River. Now, the GFS and really the other Euro, both of the long-range models, are showing some pretty heavy rain coming in Tuesday, especially the afternoon, and then becoming a little bit more scattered as we get into Wednesday. The Euro showing right around the same time, if not a little bit later, for that heaviest rain coming in, and then moving out coming in on Thursday. Now, the rain totals between the two also sticking around the same, right around an inch total for Tuesday and into Wednesday and Thursday, picking up around a quarter of an inch extra. So since most of that heavy rain is staying to our southwest, we're primarily looking at isolated flooding threats and not something widespread, since most of it will be to the south of us and causing the Ohio here, not expected to reach that flooding stage. But before we even get to all of that, we have some beautiful conditions here. Parkersburg on the Highmark camera, absolutely gorgeous. Some mostly sunny skies, 66 degrees at the moment. Light winds from the north-northwest at about 9 miles an hour. Temperatures around the region in those upper 60s. Not really seeing any 70s, but there are a couple popping up farther down towards Charleston. This evening, we will get down into the upper 40s by about 1 in the morning. Skies will remain mostly clear, if not completely clear. We'll get down into the low 40s for our low for tonight. Tomorrow, a little bit warmer than today, getting up close to 70 degrees, and then the rest of the week will be a little bit warmer than we saw for the last couple of days. Memorial Day will be lovely, and we're keeping an eye on that next system coming in on Tuesday. That'll